Welcome to the podcast, What If There's a Better Way? I'm your host, Leah, and this is another mini session. Today's topic is the question, will nature regulate your nervous system? The short answer is no. Going for walks in the forest or sunbathing, spending time with animals, it's very beneficial. Yes, of course. But it won't necessarily regulate the nervous system. So, of course, we are nature. There's no real escaping it, but it's just not... and it's not going to be the end-all, be-all. So, you probably went on a walk in a park before, or some in a forest, next to a lake, on the mountains, whatever kind of nature you have next to you. And maybe you were grumpy the whole time and you didn't want to be there. Maybe you were in a really good mood and enjoyed all of your walk. Maybe you were walking with a friend and you were venting about a problem you had. Who knows, maybe about work. Might it have calmed you down a little bit? Probably. Did it reset your whole body? Did it fix all of your emotional issues? Did it bring out your old survival stress that was still stuck in the body? I think the answer is no. Right? So, it won't fix all of your problems. It's just one little piece of what a human needs. So should you continue going out in nature? Of course. I mean, what you want to stay inside all day? That's not going to be the best idea. There's some circumstances where that can be for a period of time, of course, but you shouldn't necessarily strive for it, right? It's better to be outside, in nature, have nature sounds around you, have natural light instead of artificial one, the natural magnetism of the earth. It's fantastic, really. It's just not gonna fix all of your problems. It's just one little piece of what it means to be a human. And that's it, basically, for today. And so, for your information, I have opened my course, which means the test phase is open. It's free for now, so you can sign up, learn for yourself, leave me lots of feedback so I can improve on it, because it is not finished. It's not completely fleshed out, but there are some practices, and there is some theory about the nervous system, and so that you can actually work on getting in touch with your body and getting those old survival stressors very gently, naturally, so by your own body's choice, not because now I want to be over it. So if you're interested, check it out. It's free for now, and then when I've decided it's good enough and added more and changed some things, I'm gonna kick everybody out, and then you can come back if you pay, if you want to. So, thank you for listening.